For today's Metcon, we're going to be doing every minute on the minute into 3 of them. Okay, so we're going to be doing a 3-minute round. In the first minute, we want you to do 30 mountain climbers as fast as possible. If you finish it before 1 minute is over, you can rest for the remaining time. Left leg plus right leg will be equal to 1 rep. Then the second minute, we're going to be doing for score, which will be as many repetitions as possible of devil's press as you can do in the second minute. And the third minute, we are going to rest it out. And then once it comes back again, so once that round of 3 minutes is over, we're going to be doing a total of 6 of those kind of rounds. However, in the next round, instead of doing mountain climbers, we are going to be doing 100 double unders or 100 single skips instead. Your scoring for today is going to be the total number of repetitions that you have used and done of the devil's press throughout the whole workout. Intended stimulus for today is going to be a quick sprint pace in the first minute and in the second minute. The third minute is rest, so you have enough of rest coming up. So make sure that you reduce the repetitions of the first minute or the first exercise to meet your own individual capacity. For example, if you can't finish 30 mountain climbers within a minute, then you can reduce that to 25 or 20 depending on your own capacity. Even the double unders, if 100 of them is too much for you, you can reduce that also to suit your capacity. So let's take a look at the exercises for the mountain climbers. We're going to start off in a push-up position, and then we're going to do like a running sort of movement by bringing our knee to our chest. Every time your left knee and your right knee comes up to your chest, it will be counted as 1 repetition. The scoring part for today's workout is going to be the devil's press, which starts off with you holding the weight in one hand, placing it on the floor, and then doing a burpee, followed by lifting the weight all the way up into an overhead position by using a snatch. Okay, you can change hands at any point of time. We're going to be doing only a single weight for today. Any questions or any scaling required, please speak to your coaches during class. Today's workout, we're going to be alternating between double unders and the mountain climbers. The double unders, as you already know, hopefully, is a very skilled exercise which will take you some time to learn, and it will not be learned in one single day. So if you don't have double unders, don't attempt it for today. If you do have double unders, you can reduce the reps. The double unders, when you jump once and the rope travels twice beneath your feet. If you don't have double unders, we're just going to be doing a normal regular single skips. Though if you don't have, if you can't skip at all or don't even have a skipping rope, then we're going to drop this exercise and instead we're going to be doing double taps. That's when you jump in the air and you tap the sides of your thighs twice. Okay, so as mentioned before, if you need to reduce the number of reps to fit within a minute, you can do so. Speak to your coaches and they will give you an appropriate rep scaling for today's workout. So it's going to be another fun workout for you guys today. Don't forget to upload your scores, and I'll see you again soon tomorrow.